Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now by confirming battery and ambient temps are safe. Heat skews readings and cold reduces capacity. Next, plug the OBD-ROMAN 2 adapter into the Leaf's port under the dash and pair it with your phone. Open Leaf Spy Pro, choose your car model, and allow it to read modules. This gives immediate cell and pack info. Once connected, make sure the 12V is healthy because Leaf Spy will depend on it to wake car systems. Once Leaf Spy loads, navigate to state of health SO and full pack voltage. SOH estimates your usable capacity versus new. Then inspect individual cell voltages. You want tight grouping, a spread larger than 0. 0.5V signals imbalance or degradation. Also capture full voltage capacity, FVC, and RPA values because they quantify remaining amp hours and usable range. Make sure to finish by performing a full controlled charge to 100% and then recheck SOH and cell voltages. Charging reveals cells that don't accept or hold charge. If a cell sags more than 0.1V under slight load or shows big variance after charging, you likely have a weak module or bad connections. This is why we test both open circuit and under load. If readings look inconsistent, clear diagnostic trouble codes, repeat the procedure. And if problems persist, contact a qualified technician or dealer for module-level diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.